How to upload your project on your GitHub here on your browser. For this, what you have to do is simply open the GitHub official website on your browser. And on the homepage, there is an option on the right that is sign in. You can sign up also if you don't have an account. I'm going to sign up to my account because I don't have an active account right now. So I will click here my Gmail ID and then I will create a password for my account and I will click on the continue button to get signed into this. Now you have to select a username if you don't have it. If you have already an account, you can click on the sign in option to get logged in directly to your GitHub account. After this, I will click everything and click on the continue option. Then I will be logged in successfully to my account. There is a verification check, the captcha or any audio. So let me just set it. And then after I will come on the home screen of GitHub. If you want to upload something or if you want to do something on your GitHub, if you want to launch your project, then you should continue on the home page. Now this is the home page. All of you can see here. I will click on the right top and click new responsibility or a new cookie space, a new project, and on the bottom you will see there is an option called new project, and you can simply click on this new project option. Then you can create any project you want. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.